Hi, and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps channel. I'm Lisa, bringing you another product reveal with the 4x6 Happy Feet Clear Stamp Set. So with this stamp set, you're going to get 8 words, perfect for building your own sentiments. You could do winter is better with you, snow is better with friends, there's happy feet, happy winter. There's just several options for sentiments with this set. You're getting 6 snowflakes, great for doing scenes around your stamped images. Here I stamped the stacked penguins onto 80-pound smooth cardstock with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and that's one stamp. Now I wanted to show you how the 3 little penguins that are side by side, that's one stamp as well. And I really like that Whimsy went with a one stamp on this because if I want to use them as a whole, it makes it so much easier. But if I want to use them separately, I can still run these through the scan and cut them out or fussy cut them and have individual images as well. Now I have some samples that I've created to share with you here. If you want to see more inspiration featuring the Happy Feet Clear 4x6 stamp set, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps blog or follow us on Instagram. Be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We really appreciate you joining us. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.